book advance. And you can book us. We have a belly dance group, any performing group. And you can book us in G.Fems. So we perform in any event, cultural or restaurants. And you can see us in Royal Indian and Curry House, Quezon City and Makati. We inviting you to come and join us, dine with us. Yun lamang po.
Thank you so much, babe number 1. That is once again. No. Yung Facebook page niya. G.Fems. G.Fems. Ayan, alright. Bilis ko makalina. Wow! G.Fems. Alright. They perform on the cultural event, corporate events. Kung gusto yung ballet performance, they can do so. You can contact them. Rich, sabi na kayo din. Hindi na nakita. Pero sa RICH, Quezon City. Pero originally sa poblasyon to. Tama ba? Makati, sa may Eva Avenue. There we go. Alright. Now let's move on to babe number 2 na maraming fans na nandun.
Hi everyone! So my name is Ayla Headress, and so I just want to say thank you to the 3 boys right there. Well, you guys, thank you so much. You guys gave me a lot more confidence, in walking here on stage. I love you guys so much. So that's all. Oh, sorry. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I have a TikTok account. My username is theycallme.ishe. ISHE. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Theycallme.ishe. That's ISHE. Now, so you can follow her on the TikTok page. I'm pretty much sure mag-enjoy kayo. Mga kids nowadays, they do a lot of things. They dance, they sing, they always entertain you guys. So yun, you can follow her on her TikTok page as well. Good na talagang generation. And I'm pretty much sure. Let's move on to babe number 3.
Hey guys, I just make it short and simple. I'm just a simple person. And I just want to thank my manager, Miss L, for taking care of me every time I have a competition and every part of places in Manila. And I just want to say thank you guys kasi naglaan kayo ng oras para manood dito, para lang makita kami. So yun lang.
Thank you, babe number 3. Now let's move on to babe number 4. Welcome back, IC.
Hi everyone, I am IC and welcome back to me. I'm from Santa Ana, Manila. I would like to thank my makeup artist and also my hander, my Donne and my RA, and also to Miss Ed, then my Nicole, and sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Summer Goddess Bless. Welcome back po sa akin, and sobrang saya ko po na nakabalik ulit. And I would like to encourage you all to please follow my page, IC Rowa Baral, and also my TikTok account. I also do in TikTok. IC BRL. Yun lang po. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much, IC. That's IC Baral on your Facebook page and IC Rowa. IC R Baral. Kasi yung TikTok page. Facebook page, ayan. Buti ka naman magkamali. Alright, and of course, let's go to our hump, starting with hump number 4. Welcome back as well, brother. Ayan, si Brother Kevin. Alright, alam mo na to, you know the drill. Here we go.
First of all, good evening everyone. And Kevin, Christina, thank you sa pumunta. Ingat sa pag-uwi.
Pinauwi mo na, brother, na talaga. Alright, that is, of course, Kevin, welcome back. And we have here, hump number 5. Ayan. Brother, ikaw naman.
Mahal ko lang daw kay Kayawan, kay Tao, kay Malay ni Ali. Sobrang saya in aranasan ko kay Ali. Ako po ni James na taga Pampanga. Good evening, everyone. And just enjoy the pageant.
Maraming salamat. Kailangan ko nagulat ako. Ang tahimik niya, very short siya. Tapos biglang, Ang dami ng energy. Balaban natin for si half number 5. Saan ka sa Pampanga, bro?
Sa palit po.
Maraming salamat. Of course, let's move on to half number 3.
Evening everyone. Thank you for coming tonight. I'm Alexander Mendoza from Singapore.
Alright, Alex, alam mo mga kasalanan natin, very short and sweet every time they give their messages. Talagang hitig lang, talagang ulo sa'yo. Brother, if you guys have any businesses as well, if you guys want to promote, kung meron kayong iba, merong seafood business, promote group, first to be number 1. Kindly do so because this is the perfect platform para maraming makalam. How are you going to be contacted? Kasi sa panahon ngayon, it's really important to reach out to people. Kasi gano'n na talaga naman. Everyone's out there na talaga. Kaya it's very tight. Every time you get a chance to shine, of course, be connected with people, gamitin nyo kagad yung opportunity niya. Last 2 hunks, hunk number 2.
Good evening everyone. First of all, thank you sa mga sumuportan tumangka. Mahal ko kayo. Jesse Fernandez from Valenzuela.
Grabe talaga, magdalawa talaga pag nalaraan na Jesse. Pinagsala. Chick boy sino na si Jesse, no? Sino mo napahiyak nito, no? Alright brother, now let's move on. Last but not least, hunk number 1!
Good evening everyone, my name is Ray Balconado Jr. Yung naalagay din na, kaya follow niyo ako sa TikTok, FB, saka sa Insta, Ray Balconado Jr. Thank you guys.
Alright, I said it is Ray. Ray pala, yan. Grabe. Di ko kasalanan ng bro kasi sila yung nag-select eh. But congratulations to you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, pang-pang ulit natin ang host and mates this afternoon. Alright, here's my